Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be diving deep into the world of Wombat, a fascinating Web3 gaming platform and its native token, the Wombat Token. Wombat has taken the crypto gaming world by storm, boasting a massive user base of over 4 million signups and 350,000 monthly active users. But what exactly is Wombat, and what makes its token so special? A short overview of Wombat Token. The Wombat Token offers gamers an attractive array of benefits, particularly through its staking program. With flexible plans ranging from 0% to a lucrative 15% annual percentage yield, or APY, over 360 days, users can tailor their investment strategy. Staking unlocks exclusive perks, including boosted Wombux earnings in Wombat and Womplay. Earning more Wombux directly increases your crypto rewards, a free Wombat Prime subscription, and the benefits of a Prime subscription are a 3x boost for the weekly cash out, a special loot box with daily NFT rewards, unlocking the private keys instantly, no delays on NFT quests, and up to 200 free actions on EOS, Wax, and Telos. And enhanced yields on materials mined in Wombat Dungeon Master means you can craft more items and increase your mining power, which both result in higher crypto rewards. The token's utility extends to KuCoin for trading liquidity and QuickSwap for additional Wombat rewards. Provide liquidity to earn extra Wombat with Taco Meal. Moreover, stakers gain access to exclusive VIP NFT drops, voting rights, and the ability to spend Wombat on NFT-related activities. Wombat's commitment to simplifying NFT use and making Web3 games accessible is evident in the Wombat's token multifaceted benefits, emphasizing security, comfort, and a seamless gaming experience. Tokenomics of Wombat. The Wombat token is a multi-chain utility token that plays a vital role within the Wombat ecosystem. It runs on Polygon but can also be traded on Wax. It's not just a currency, it's a gateway to a world of exclusive benefits and perks. Here are some of the key things you can do with your Wombat tokens. Staking. Earn passive income by locking your Wombat tokens in a smart contract. You'll be rewarded with additional Wombat tokens and other goodies like boosted Wombux earnings and free Wombat Prime subscriptions. Governance. Participate in shaping the future of Wombat by voting on important proposals. The more Wombat tokens you hold, the greater your voting power. Marketplace fees. Use Wombat to pay for fees on the Wombat Marketplace, where you can buy and sell in-game items and NFTs. Dungeon Master. Access exclusive features and benefits within the popular Dungeon Master game, such as buying special items and participating in voting on in-game decisions. Benefits of holding Wombat. So, why should you consider holding Wombat tokens? Well, there are several compelling reasons. Deflationary tokenomics. Wombat is designed to become increasingly scarce over time. This is achieved through token burning mechanisms, such as burning a portion of the proceeds from marketplace fees and Season 5 sales. This scarcity can lead to an increase in the value of your Wombat holdings over time. As you can hear, over the past year, the price has increased by 223% from 0.0021 to 0.0068. It will also increase in the upcoming days for sure. Growing ecosystem. The Wombat ecosystem is constantly expanding, with new games, features, and partnerships being added all the time. This increased adoption can drive up demand for Wombat tokens. Strong community. Wombat boasts a passionate and engaged community of players and supporters. This community can play a vital role in driving the platform's success and the value of the Wombat token. Distribution of Wombat. The distribution of Wombat tokens is carefully designed to ensure a healthy and sustainable ecosystem. Here's a breakdown of how the tokens are distributed. Team and advisors. A small portion of tokens is allocated to the team and advisors who help develop the Wombat platform. Staking rewards. A significant portion of tokens is set aside for staking rewards, incentivizing users to hold and lock their tokens. Ecosystem development. Tokens are allocated to fund the development of the Wombat ecosystem, including new games, features, and partnerships. Public sale. The remaining tokens are made available to the public through various token sales. Potential value of Wombat. Predicting the future value of any cryptocurrency is always a tricky proposition. However, there are several factors that suggest that Wombat has the potential to see significant growth in the years to come. Strong fundamentals. The Wombat platform has a proven track record of success, with a large and engaged user base and a robust tokenomics model. Growing adoption. The Wombat ecosystem is constantly expanding, attracting new users and partners. Deflationary nature. The scarcity of Wombat tokens can lead to an increase in demand and price over time. As you can hear, over the past year, the price has increased by 223%, from 0.0021 to 0.0068. It will also increase in the upcoming days for sure. The Wombat token is an exciting and innovative project with the potential to revolutionize the Web3 gaming space. Its unique tokenomics, strong community, and growing ecosystem make it a compelling investment proposition for anyone interested in the future of gaming and blockchain technology. So, what are you waiting for? Do your own research and consider adding Wombat to your portfolio. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on Wombat and the future of Web3 gaming. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Wombat. If you did, please give it a thumbs up.